Everything is fast-paced. My love, you know the world is fast-paced these days. Everything is fast-paced. Everyone is a cash cow to somebody. I want to just be brief. Crew yaha Shebeshkt. Please. You guys are his crew. You're benefiting from him being on stage out there amongst the people and all that. That young man's life is in danger.
How?
Do something. He's trying to make a living. He's in the zone. He's young. He's the next best thing. But for how long, we don't know.
Yeah, that's true.
He's not safe. People love him, but others don't. And amongst the people that love him, there's always danger lurking around. That young man needs protection on stage. He can't even be driving himself.
That's true.
From gig to gig. No. Even if he doesn't want protection, sit him down. He's still young. Fame gets to a lot of people. And when fame gets to a lot of people, sometimes the control is not there. Or even if you have control, you'd need some sort of management in your corner. Shebeshkt is not safe, people. And people love him.
A lot.
But where there's love, there's always danger. Just look into it. We are tired of losing upcoming, promising artists due to, I would like to say, negligence or due to fame.
Just
Just putting it out there.